diving into the topic of quality service standards, a key element in delivering exceptional customer experiences. We will explore important questions like what these standards are, their essential features in professional setting, and how they are developed. To make our discussion more engaging, we will be answering key questions about each topic. Now, let me introduce my group mates who will help explore these ideas further. Hello everyone, I'm here with my group mates and today we will be answering the questions about quality standard service. For you, Janine, what are quality service standards?
Quality service standards are specific guidelines or benchmarks that define the level of service a business aims to deliver to its customers. They help ensure consistency and meet customers' expectations.
For you, Ms. Karen, what are quality service standards?
For me, these standards covers various aspects of service such as response time, product knowledge, and customers' interactions, aiming to improve overall customer satisfaction.
Okay, ladies, what are three features of standards for professionals service in your workplace?
The three standards features for professional service in our workplace are consistency, timeless, and professionalism. For consistency, services are delivered in the same manner regardless of time, place, or personnel, ensuring a reliable customer experience.
And the second is timeliness. Responses to customer inquiries or requests are handled promptly to meet or exceed expectations. And the last one is professionalism. Staff maintains a courteous, respectful, and knowledgeable approach in all interactions.
How about you, Paul? What is quality service standards?
For me, it's a benchmark that ensure customers receive consistent, efficient, and satisfactory service at every touch point.
For you, Jake, how do you develop and set service standards?
Assess customers' expectation by gathering feedback and identifying areas for improvement to align with their needs.
That wraps up our discussion on quality service standards. We've covered what they are, their key features, and how they can be developed to ensure exceptional customer experiences. We hope this has given you a better understanding of why maintaining high service standards is crucial in any workplace. Thank you for watching and we'll see you next time.
Hi everyone! In this video, we have a special guest, the owner of Aforda, and who will be joining us today, and who will be talking about some key topics in workplace management like trends in training people, motivating employees, and discipline and control.
Each of these plays a crucial role in building an effective and productive work environment. We will explore how modern training methods are evolving, ways to keep employees motivated, and the importance of maintaining discipline in a workplace.
We're excited to share some insights and answers some important questions on these topics.
So, let's get started.
So today, I am here with the owner of Aforda, Mr. J. Lapiceros. Okay, sir. What is one modern trend in employee training?
Okay. Online learning platforms and virtual reality simulation are becoming popular.
And why is personalized training important?
It addresses individual learning needs, making training more effective.
How can manager boost employees' motivation?
By recognizing achievements and providing constructive feedback.
And also, why is a positive work environment important for motivation?
It fosters engagement and improves job satisfaction.
What is the importance of having discipline in the workplace?
To ensure productivity and maintain respectful and work environment.
And for your last question, sir, how should managers handle employee misconduct?
Okay. Through clear communication and consistent enforcement of the company policies.
That was the end of our discussion and questions. We hope that you found an insight shared by Mr. J helpful and informative.
Yes, understanding and implementing these standards are essential for delivering exceptional customer experiences and maintaining a successful business.
A big thank you to Mr. J for having us here and sharing your expertise.
See you next time. Bye-bye.